We're getting close. There we go. Start the recording. Start our motors. Well, we don't have full satellites yet. Hey, welcome back, everyone. Today we have something really special. We are driving up to the Laurentian Mountains and we're going to visit Mont Saint-Sauveur. This is going to be a long-range video, so don't skip ahead. Here we go. Let's do this. This is going to be a long range, guys. Strap yourself in. There we go. Yeah, for some reason we had some trouble with the satellites from the third floor here on the balcony in this hotel for some reason. But we finally got some satellites and we were able to fly our Mini 4 Pro. Mont Saint-Sauveur is 1,000 meters above sea level. That's about 3,300 feet above sea level. We're going to fly to the summit and we'll take a look around and see what's going on there. I enjoy these long-range videos with the Mini 4 Pro. As you may already know, I love making long-range videos. So, we'll just take it easy. We'll fly nice and smooth. We'll get to this summit and we'll take a look around. We're going to give it some beans and put it to sport mode. It is a beautiful day, sunny, and there is some wind, especially when I was taking off from the balcony. We're just going to try to fly really quickly over these two highways so we can get the show on the road. There are some beautiful homes up here, and if you love skiing, this is a place for you. And it's so beautiful in the winter, you will love it. I guarantee you, it's one of the world famous skiing resorts here in Quebec, Canada. I might share some photos of this place in the winter, so that you can get an idea of how much fun people have up here, especially if you love skiing. The great thing about this is it's only about an hour and 15 minutes, an hour and 20 minutes away from the city of Montreal. Now, the closer we get to the mountain, I feel like I should have increased the altitude maximum. Well, we'll have to adjust that when the time comes. These are some of the ski runs. Okay, we've reached the max height legal. At this point, I think we're just gonna try to increase the height limit so that we can get over this mountain and up to the summit. Safety. Let's scroll down a little bit to the max altitude. And we'll make our adjustment there. There we go. Yes, I agree, and I assume responsibility. The last time I checked, it said that the height from the base is about 265 meters, and see if that gets us over on top to the summit. Ooh, yeah. What do we got up here? We got a lake. We made it. No doubt this becomes a skating ring in winter. And that's the town of Mont Saint-Sauveur. We are at 54% battery. I think I'm gonna be bringing her back manually. It's a very beautiful place with quaint restaurants, bars, music. So our max distance up here on the summit was 2,270 meters away from the takeoff location, and at a height of 265 meters. Looks like I have to tweak my expo tuning, and probably be a good idea to look at each section: normal, cine mode, and sport mode. I think what happened was I had an update that I did, and I'm not sure what happened to my expo tuning, but it looks like they're off because, you know, every little turn I made, it was really jagged. So I'm gonna take a look at that. This way I'll be ready for my next flight with the DJI Mini 4 Pro. I love mountains, and this is the right place to be on a beautiful day like today. Let's bring it in on auto. What do you say? It's right above us. Now all I have to do is hand catch it 3 stories above ground. If I miss this, I'm going to cause some damage for sure on this Mini 4 Pro. I'd rather not have to deal with another repair or care refresh. Up until this point, I still have not realized that the obstacle avoidance is back on because I switched back to normal mode before descending, which means that the obstacle avoidance sensors are on. So I'm not sure why it's not wanting to come closer to me at this point. What the? Whoa! Easy does it. Oh, the light bulb moment. No problem. I got it. Well, so as you saw, I had the obstacle avoidance on, and the drone would not come close to me, so I can hand catch it. Luckily, I realized that at the last minute, and I understood what was happening. But that's how easy you can make a simple mistake like that, and it could cost you your drone. I'm glad there was no issue. Got my drone back, and it was a beautiful flight, and I hope you enjoyed it too. I'll see you on the next one.